So the rain passed completely. It's a beautiful day out in Nagoya today. But since Nagoyans are all mole people, I'm going underground. Because that's how it is. Famous miso katsu. Only in Nagoya. They're just mopping. Just so quiet. Don't even want to talk to me. Because they're just mopping away. So these shorts are reversible. It looks like this on the outside. Alright, normal. Hey, when you reverse it, it looks like this though. Mops. Dude, I don't think so, dude.
Oh, dude, that kid. I can wear these.
So this is the Japanese video game section.
So sick.
I was walking around by myself, and then I just saw this guy right next to me. We didn't even notice each other. That's why we're best friends. I was looking at this Resident Evil one, the new one.
Oh yeah,
it's pretty sick.
Big Final Fantasy 14 is gonna be an online.
Yeah. I like it. This is how it looks behind Nagoya. Typical Japanese city, just surrounded by the concrete. There's no view, just some people and some buildings. That's about it. I told my cousin, you know, what shit we do in a fucking hotel room. We're so dangerous. Look how high it is. Okay. Brian! Brian!
Brian, get your ass out here!
Brian! It's so dark already. We are in the city side of Nagoya. We're about to go eat. My cousin Yusei is going to take us to dinner.
That place is where
And
they
we'll
have
see.
the SKE mall.
Oh, really?
Right there.
Oh. There's a Ferris wheel right there, right behind the thing, out of nowhere. And there's like a semi-wannabe Tokyo Tower over there. Looks like just an ordinary beer until, what is that? It's like a little poop. Drink it, Brian.
No, we have to come by.
Oh yeah, you're right. The foam is actually slushy, so it's frozen, and it looks delicious.
And that's yours.
You should drink more than
This
that. I mean, look at that size. This
is
like,
what we need in Vegas.
That's probably like
right
two.
here is my
Swag.
Can't even talk right.
They don't even have it. He made it just for us.
pretty boy swag.
Pretty box. Pretty. And this girl drank like every cocktail they have here
With mango.
with mango. And this tapas place is probably one of the best tapas I have
This is so
ever in my life.
Pretty boy swag.
We're in a good state right now. Brian's pretty buzzing hard. We're about to go to the red light district of Nagoya. And that's the shit, because we're about that life, because we Ratchet, right? Brian's high five challenge. You're so Hey! Hey, let's go! Let's do it! Tell him, high five. D9th century. D9th century. D9th century. Damn. That nigga meat mugged your ass, dog.
Why is everyone so depressed? Japan, man. You should all commit suicide.
Oh wait.
No, just kidding. Oh wait. Just kidding.
So we're at a Japanese karaoke bar. So we get all you can drink bar, and we also get all you can drink alcohol bar. And this is how it looks like. There's separate rooms. You join in there. And we get our own room, number 505. It looks like this.
Yeah, books back.
Like this.
Where's the English?
Yeah, we like
English.
Sing. Karaoke first song. We got Brian Doe singing Titanium.
Shout it out, but I can't hear a word you say.
That's it.
You could be in it.
I'm holding through nothing to lose. Far away, far away. Take it far away, far away.
Come on. Drink deliveries. Hell yeah.
Don't wanna close my eyes. Don't wanna fall asleep 'cause I miss you, babe. And I don't wanna miss a thing. 'Cause even when I dream of you, the sweetest dream would never do. I still miss you, babe. And I don't wanna miss a thing.
Every damn time.
He's been like that for like the past 4 days. Like straight.
Oh shit.
He's like a little ball. How are you feeling, B?
Might throw up.
You drank a little too much. All you can drink alcohol is something else in karaoke. It's only 12:20, and all you can drink has fucked people up. But it's a good night. It's a very good night. This nigga threw up.
Dude,
It's gross.
It was rough.
This nigga threw
Dude,
up.
I don't even want to explain right now. I'll explain when I'm sober.
Oh man.
Oh,
It's a good
man.
story for tomorrow.
Oh my god.
When Brian throws up, it's a great night.
Too much.
This in Japan. In Japan. Wonderful night in Nagoya, Japan. Drunk and drunk. Wonderful night.
Too much vision.
It was
Oh, God,
so
Jesus.
thick. I was just like,
Oh god.
it was like, oh my god! I threw up everything I ate. It was horrible.
Oh
It was dude. I said I threw up straight mud, dude. It's fucking crazy.
Ew.
I've never you know how like you throw up and it's like liquid.
Yeah,
Dude, I
like
threw
water,
up. I
right?
threw up mud. It was
Oh man.
I've never experienced it. It's so cool.
As you could tell, we had a great night. Nagoya, thank you. Japan, thank you. And we're about to knock out. We got an 8:30 wake up call tomorrow. See you guys. See you guys.
What time are we
Good
leaving?
night.
What time are we leaving?
Meet up, not 8:30 downstairs, please. Good night, fellas. We out.